I am cutting the wood with a saw. I am cutting the wood with a saw. I keep my desk clean every day. I keep my desk clean every day. I traveled last week. I traveled last week. I am drilling a hole in the wall. I am drilling a hole in the wall. I enjoy cold water after exercise. I enjoy cold water after exercise. I get hungry before lunch. I get hungry before lunch. I am measuring the window carefully. I am measuring the window carefully. I caught a cold. I caught a cold. I overslept this morning. I overslept this morning. I am hammering the nail into the wall. I am hammering the nail into the wall. I am painting the fence outside. I am painting the fence outside. I am building a wooden shelf. I am building a wooden shelf. I am installing a new light fixture. I am installing a new light fixture. I forgot my password. I forgot my password. I moved to a new house. I moved to a new house. I am carrying the tools to the truck. I am carrying the tools to the truck. I have hot soup for lunch. I have hot soup for lunch. I run down the hill in the park. I run down the hill in the park. I wake up early for work every day. I wake up early for work every day. I feel sad when I miss my friends. I feel sad when I miss my friends. I feel full after dinner. I feel full after dinner. I spilled my coffee. I spilled my coffee. I eat breakfast at 7. I eat breakfast at 7. I cook dinner at 6:30. I cook dinner at 6:30.
Hi friends, help me subscribe to my channel. Just click the red button right here. Great, now we're subscribed. Thanks for helping. Let's learn English together and have fun.